Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for April 14th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is Easter. Llama, Llama, Easter Egg by Anna Dewdney. Llama Easter, Llama Spring. What does Easter morning bring? Chocolate bunnies, jelly beans, eggs in yellows, pinks, and greens. Time to hunt with careful eyes. Llama finds a big surprise. First a crack and then a leg. Llama, Llama, Easter egg. The end. We're going to make a wooden egg. I got these eggs that are in your craft to go kits from Oriental Trading. And that's what it looks like. And then you'll need either paints, markers. You can even use crayons on this. I'm going to use markers on mine. I'm using Sharpies, but you can use regular markers or wood markers, whichever you want. And I'm just going to decorate my egg rainbow colors. I'm going to start with red at the top and purple at the bottom and fill it in. And you can do any kind of designs you want, any colors you want. You can color it all one color. You can make it fancy or plain. It's up to you. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the video. You don't need to watch me color. And then I'll show you what my egg looks like when it's completely done. Okay, there's my egg. I made mine rainbow, but you can make yours any colors you want. And that's all there is to it. Just either paint or use markers or crayons to make it colorful.